Hello everybody, this is Warrior 2100 Caterpillar engine diesel party filter. It's Power Screen Dpf. We have cleaned this 6 machine cycles. We have cleaned it. It come up really nice and clean. We can see inside is no soot, nothing. I'm gonna take a pictures once it's hot air drying is completed. Water molecules can be very dangerous for a Dpf. That's why we are washing hot air drying at 300 degrees Celsius. This is a DAF Dpf. You can see how small it is comparing to Caterpillar Dpf. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more educational videos. You can reach me on 07533636194 with your Dpf, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, SCR, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke, power loss problems. We are the masters for what we do. Thanks for watching.